Here we are at Thomas Hickman. This is their crazy golf space. It's a really great addition to their playground. Really colourful, allows the children to play together, helps them to learn new skills and agilities. There's some mathematical problem solving for them to do and addition. There are some pumps in the wet pool for them to overcome, and the school have bought some additional obstacles to help them make more use of the space. It's the first crazy golf space that we've done in the UK, and I'm sure we'll be doing many more of them. As you can see, it's quite a lot of fun for the children. You use it in lots of different ways. Working together. You can't really see it in the photos and the video, but there's a slight slope to the space, so they're having to guess the angle. Also, quite a windy day like today, so they're having to work out that as well. So a great addition to their playground. And this is the early years space at Thomas Hickman. This is their combined nursery and reception classroom. And what we've got here is their physical development space. You can see the children really making great use of this. They're learning to play together. This is the beginning of the autumn term, so the children have just come into the space. They're just sort of getting used to it. And what we've done here is we've recreated the whole of the outdoor space and become a really great learning full space. So we've got physical development slap bang in the middle. We've got some spaces for the children to explore and do child-initiated learning. There's a stage here for expressive arts and design. All of the storage units are designed so that the children can initiate and play themselves. So as you can see, what you can do, you can leave them open, and there's lots of lovely storage inside here, with lots of lovely different things to help the children just to make different choices all of the time. It's great for the children to learn to play together in terms of PSED, and you can really get a feel for how much learning through play has really changed in this space. Hello! You gonna take a big jump? Oh wow! So brave! Well done! We then move on to our investigation area. So we've got a water wall with a damming station. And here we are, making mud pies and having an awful lot of fun in our investigation area at Thomas Hickman. And these are the children of their nursery and reception class. They're learning to play together, mix different materials and move things across our materials mover. And generally have a lot of fun. Next to it is our water wall. The children can learn about flow and volume. And this little boy here is just learning to pull on the pulley systems, which is a great gross motor skill challenge, as you can see. And he's moving the bucket over from one end to the other. And as the children get older, they can explore this area in different ways. Learning to weigh on the scales. Have a lot of fun.
Right, are we ready for our story?
Yep.
Are you going to come and sit on the cushions for me?
Yeah.
Are you going to come and have a snuggle on the big chair?
Oh, there's no
What are you doing?
cushions.
Come and sit here.
You can sit with me.
I'll tell you what you can do. You can help the book. Are you ready? It says Alien Tea on Planet Zombie.
I have aliens
Aliens in under.
This is their snug area. What noises do aliens make? And maybe you could play some musical instruments with aliens. Wonderful. So this is the wonderful stage space, and the children read their story about alien tea time.